Everyone, my name is Tijan Hong. Today I am going reading text is Unit 23, My Pond. My pond is a little bit large with clear water. There are a few kinds of fish under the water. There are some frogs on the lotus leaf, some snails are near the reeds, and some others are on the mat next to the tortoise. There are some crabs in the hole near the grass. There are a lot of ants in the mud of the edge of the pond. There are a few tortoises in the grass. The water hyacinths are floating on the water at the edge of the leaf pond. In the middle of the pond, there are some water lilies. There are a lot of tortoise flowers near the water lilies. There are a small sugar plum boat on the water near the bank of the pond. My pond is a good place for relaxing and fishing. That's all of my lesson. Show everyone that you pay attention for my reading text. Thank you.